At the end of another busy day, Thomas and his friends all go back to Tidmouth Sheds. For most of the engines, it's a time to sleep and rest before another busy day. But when Thomas is asleep, his adventures really begin.
Wow, this is amazing! I wonder what adventure it will be today. Wow! Hello. What's this? A pirate's map showing the way to hidden treasure. It looks like the treasure is near Brendam Docks. Salty, I saw a treasure map and it pointed to Brendam Docks.
Oh, be careful what ye wish for, Thomas. Treasure comes at a price.
What do you mean?
Oh, it'd be treacherous to go looking for treasure. The roaring ocean waves will not give it up easily, nor will the roguish pirates guarding it.
Golly.
Yes, Thomas, horrible creatures with far-reaching tentacles and fearsome jaws. Oh, I must have really scared him off with that last tale. Oh, well.
Trembling tracks! A pirate ship! Now I can find the treasure!
Shiver me tenders! We have a stowaway! Who's rocking me boat? Sea monsters are after me treasure!
Ahoy, Thomas! I'm coming to save you! Percy! Come quick! Woohoo! Gotcha, Thomas! Hold tight!
Wake up, Thomas. We need to finish cleaning you and get you shipshape for the day ahead.
Oh, I've had enough of ships for one day.
Oh, looks like you have a stowaway.
Oh!